You people around who love the sound wherever it's abounding of flute and pipe and fiddle bright in hall or bar resounding. There's no finer place upon the face of Ireland's green, I fancy, for notes to pour like waves on shore than the town of Piper Clancy. When summer's light is in the sky and gentle waves are breaking, to Milltown, Malbay's friendly streets your way you will be making, all for to meet and kindly greet those throngs of smiling faces from point to far off compass point of home or foreign places. Your tent is set, a room you'll get, or a house you may be hiring, where you'll recline around morning time when of the crack you're tiring. It's Friday night, your mood is light, your glass is full and brimming. We'll drink a toast to the piper's ghost and the Willie week's beginning. It is well known all in this land that those bardic crafts are taught here. The skill to twist, the graceful wrist is night and morning sought here. To pluck the string, grace notes to sing, or to step the Caledonian, to blow fadog or timber flute, or squeeze the famed melodeon. With afternoon approaching soon and signs of thirst appearing, the vision of a creamy pint is to your mind endearing. No easy choice, cries McFlynn's voice, well known in this locality, for in each bar, both near and far, sure the wine is of great quality. The thing to do is have a few in each and every tap room. In Clancy's one, in Marnin's one, in Malone's and the Archway Tavern. Whilst on your feet across the street lies Jerry's pub so cosy, where antique schnapps adorn the walls for the curious or the nosy. Your course now takes you to the west by Wilson's, Mike and Terry. The hotel, says Flynn, won't let us in, though the music sounds quite merry. You're standing by the flag road now, you can hear two banjos flaking. At the Malbay restaurant and bar, there's a session till day breaking. On Sunday morning in Fatty's pub, the crowd moves in quite quickly. The bar will soon be jammed and thronged and packed out dense and thickly. They've assembled here to lend an ear to the far-famed Kool-Aid choir, whose antique tones and pipe-like drones can set your soul on fire. And you're bound to go to Friel's also for more traditional singing, to join in many's the lusty line with hoary voices winging. And Johnny Leary holds the fort with schlies and polkas scattered in Pat Hennessy's pub around the bend where Kerry sets are battered. And so the days go tumbling by and gentle waves are breaking to Milltown Malbay's friendly streets. Your